Eventin is a powerful event management plugin for WordPress, and when paired with Zoom, it makes online events seamless. From scheduling to generating unique meeting links, everything stays organized in one place. If you want to connect Zoom with your WordPress events, in this video, we'll show you how to integrate Zoom with Eventin, step by step, easily. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. First, go to the settings page of the Eventin. Then open the integration part. And then enable the Zoom integration. Here you need the client ID and client secret key. Next, move to the Zoom's app marketplace. We will put the link in the description below. Now, sign in. Beside the Profile section, click on Develop and then Build App. Select General App. Configure how the app will be managed. For that, select Admin Managed and hit Save. Now copy the client ID and client secret and paste it to the dashboard. You need to connect your site with the Zoom app. For instance, copy your site's URL and paste it into Zoom's redirect URL field. Then hit Continue. Now continue these steps and move to the last part. Here, you need to add scope. It means what a user can actually do with this connection after selecting the scope. So select these options and hit Done. And again, hit Continue. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard and hit Connect, then allow the permission. And congratulations, you have successfully connected Zoom with your WordPress. Now, let's see how it works with Eventin. Go to Eventin and create an event. Fill out the form and check Online Event. There, you will find the Zoom meeting option, then hit Create. Now, you can see the dedicated Zoom meeting link is automatically created. So that's how you can integrate Zoom with Eventin and run your event online. If you've liked our videos, do subscribe to our channel and follow us on social. Thanks for watching.